the US government does not charge for the visa lottery program. So they released this new rule on September 16th. It was a rule by the Department of State on September 16th that it's already a final rule. It's a final rule, and generally, when there's going to be such a change, they start with a proposal of a rule, and then there is public comments that are accepted through a period, and after that, the agency will put everything together and then determine if it becomes a final rule, then it will be published, right? But this, they didn't go through that. They just released the final rule. We'll get into that soon. But the first stage of the diversity visa lottery program is the DS-5501 submission. That's when you are asked about your name, you are asked about your, where you live, what you do, the highest level of your education. And guys, another update is that when you are submitting the application, where you live is where you're going to be attending your interview. So if you know that you are going to want to attend your interview in a particular place, then you need to make sure you're either living there or have, some type of address there, because there's also another rule that says that immigrant visas, they should only schedule interviews where they live, right? So this thing about registering somewhere, registering as a Ghanaian or as a Kenyan, and then trying to change the location of your interview is going to be a problem moving forward. Okay, so the first stage of the DS-5501 is free. But then when you are selected by May 2026 or the next year in May when the results are released, you are going to be paying another fee, which is usually $330 for visa application, other immigrant visa or green card, diversity visa fee. So that $330 has not changed when you are selected, or if you are selected for the diversity visa lottery program. It's this initial registration stage that has changed, that you're going to be paying a $1 fee. So that's it. It says that it's a final rule. They are going to just start with this collection. And as I was saying, usually there's a rule making process, and there's usually an NPRM, which is notice of the proposed rulemaking. They'll give you notice, or they'll give everybody notice, that agency. And we have several agencies that are responsible for various things in U.S. immigration. So for example, for diversity visa lottery, Department of State is a federal agency responsible for its administration. They administer the diversity visa lottery program year after year.